Hey everybody, welcome to another guitar lesson. My name is Sparky Parker. Today I'm going to show you the guitar solo of Tennessee Whiskey by Chris Stapleton. It's a great solo and we can learn some theory from that solo and apply it to other songs. So part one, I'm going to break down how to play the solo. Part two, I'm going to break down the theory so that you can improvise your own solo or you can take it and apply it to other songs. Let's get started. We're in standard tuning. We're in the key of A major, so the chords behind the solo are A to B minor, another B minor, back to A. All right, so let's get started. Here we go. We're going to start on the 3rd string, 9th fret. Go 9, 11, then go to the 2nd string, 10th fret, 12th fret, and we're going to bend the 12th fret of the 2nd string up. So we got this. Bend it up a whole step. All right, then we're going to do this double stop lick in B minor. So we're going to go 7th fret, 3rd string, and also I'm going to have my 3rd finger on the 1st string, 7th fret. So what I'm going to do here is slide that 7th fret all the way to the 9th fret, plucking the 3rd string, then the 1st string, 9th fret. Then we're going to pluck both of them and slide it back down. As I pluck both of them, I'm basically strumming through those last 3 strings but muting that 2nd string as I do that. You could also pluck it if you wanted to with your fingers. All right, we do that lick 2 times in a row. And then we got this, so we got 7th fret and 7th fret still. Now this is the 6th fret, 3rd string, and 5th fret, 1st string. Okay, then we move on. So we're starting on the 5th string, go 7th fret, 9th fret, 4th string, 7th fret, back to the 9th fret, 5th string, and then back to the 7th fret, 4th string. So that is. All right, now we're going to go from the 7th fret, 4th string, slide it up 2 frets. Then we're going to go 9th fret, 3rd string to 11th fret. You're going to pluck that 11th fret twice. And then 10th fret of the 2nd string. So here it is right there. One more time. Slide. 9, 11. 11, 10. All right, then we get into this little BB King kind of lick. So 12th fret, 2nd string. So I'm just going to bend that 12th fret up a little bit on the first one. Let it back down and pluck it. And then 10th fret. That first bend is just a small half-step bend. All right, then we're going to go to the 13th fret, 2nd string. So when I get to the 13th fret, I'm going to do a full whole step bend. All right. And then pluck the 13th fret without bending it to the 10th fret. So let's do both bends. All right, then we move on to this lick. So we got 9th fret, of the 3rd string, 10th fret of the 2nd string. It's important to do it with these 2 fingers so that you can do this next little trick with the 3rd finger. So index finger on the 9th fret, middle finger on the 10th fret. And then with my ring finger, I'm going to hammer on to the 11th fret, 3rd string. Try to keep this 3rd finger, this ring finger up tall, stand it up tall so that you're not blocking the vibration of that 2nd string. I want that 2nd string to keep vibrating, right? To keep ringing out. So after I hammer on, I then take off the ring finger. So then I have 9 and 10 again. And then put that ring finger back, pluck that. So we got then we're going to go down to the 4th string, slide from 11 down to 9, and then pluck the 7th fret. Okay, we're going to go slide down 11th fret to 9th fret, 7th fret, and then go down to the 5th string and hit the 9th fret. All right, and then we're going to do this little guy. Now that's just a hammer on from the 7th fret to the 9th, 5th string, and then 7th fret, 4th string. Now right there, I'm going to hit the 9th fret, 4th string, and then slide up and back, 9 to 10 and back to 9. That brings me down to the 7th fret, same string. So I have okay, going to the last lick. Alright, so basically we're going to walk up the scale. We're going to start with 7-9, hammer on, 7-9-7. Alright, and then we're going to walk up the scale, go 7-9 on the 5th string, and then we'll go to the 4th string, 7-9 twice. Slide up to 11. Then we're going to go 9-11, 3rd string, 10 on the 2nd string, back to 11 on the 3rd string, and back to 10 on the 2nd string. So slowly. Alright, that's the guitar solo to Tennessee Whiskey. If you want the tablature, I'll put it on my Patreon page. And in lesson 2, we're going to break down the theory behind the solo. And you can actually improvise your own solo over this progression. And you can apply that theory to your own solos. So be sure and like and subscribe and share with your friends. Check out my social medias. And we'll see you next time. Thanks.